Yeah, 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 yeah. Just want a gaming PC. Not a Silicon Valley mortgage. Scrolling specs at 3M glow. Dream build shining while it's saying no. GPU prices looking luxury class. Me on my budget stuck in the past. DVR sticks cost a monthly rent. Check out page got emotional intent. RGB dreams of neon light, but inflation hitting every side. Chip fabs running day and night. AI servers buying all the supply tight. Gamers waiting in the queue like, hey, save some RAM for us too. Innovation moving lightning speed. Tech CEOs chasing the next big lead. Respect the hustle, respect the grind. Still feels like gamers last in line. Why RAM so expensive now? Every gamer asking how. GPU dreams still alive inside, but these prices wild worldwide. We don't hate, we just stress. Trying to game with like that one broke, that's all we request. One day smooth FES will blow. Till then budget gamers run the show. NVIDIA flexing, next gen ray tracing. AMD kinda punch benchmarking. Memory brands playing supply chess. Gamers stuck paying more, no less. AI boom took half the stock. Crypto deja vu round the clock. Shipping tax, tariffs too. Even cables cost premium now. Who knew? And honestly I gotta say somehow life funny how it works out now. Dating stress cheaper than it's free. Girlfriend looking more budget friendly than buying a PC. Not complaining, just facts I see. Give me passion still debt free. Mentally chip fast burning midnight oil. Data centers eating silicon spoil. Future tech moving strong and fast. Hope affordability, the returns at last. Cause gaming's joy, not luxury tier. Just one smooth frame over here. Why RAM's still expensive though? Market waves ebb and flow. Dream set up waiting patiently. RGB future calling me. Till then laugh, hustle, repeat. Bunch of gamers still elite. Because real gamers always know fun ain't locked behind cash flow. Why rhyme? So expensive though. Market waves ebb and flow. Dream set up waiting patiently. RGB future calling me. Till then hustle, repeat. Bunch of gamers still elite. Because real gamers always know fun ain't locked behind cash flow. Dream, dream, dream. Fun ain't locked behind cash flow. Till then budget gamers run the show. Dream first, build later, game always.